Hey, Himanshu Bist here from withhimanshu.com. In this video, you will be discovering how to find better clients for your digital advertising agency or digital marketing company. Now, creating a digital marketing agency is one of the best ways to start in digital marketing career. It's easy because you do not need to have so much expertise in this, but still you are learning by doing implementation. So instead of just learning by theory, you are actually implementing your practical skills in some way. So whenever you are building a digital advertising agency, you will also be implementing all the strategies to grow your own agency, and at the same time you will be helping a lot of other people to grow their business. You will be getting more better testimonials, and you will look that very soon you are having exponential growth in digital advertising. But one of the biggest challenge when you are starting any such agency is finding good client. Now, so many people will tell you that just jump into advertising, just start creating your own advertisement, but there are some more powerful ways to find out better clients that you will be discovering inside this video. And also I will also be showing you some of the resources you can exactly use to grow your skills and become a really impactful agency in a few years. Now make sure to watch this video till the end if all of that is resonating with you. And before we move ahead, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that every time when I put a new video, you can get notified. Okay, and if you are liking this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, now first thing is there is a huge competition out there. If you will look at uh, if you are in any industry, let's say you are in SEO or you are in Google Ads or you want to start your Facebook advertising agency, you will see that there are thousands of other people who are doing the same. Now this is the story I just want to share with you. 2 years ago when I was starting my digital advertising agency, me and my friend started working in Mumbai, India. Okay, and interestingly, we posted a post. Okay, we posted something on a Facebook group which was potentially it was supposed to get us better client. Okay, so we posted we will build website for 20,000 rupees. So it's roughly around $300. Okay, so we posted this on Facebook group and we just forgot. Now next day we saw that somebody else posted in that same group in which we posted, and he said I will create a website for 5,000 rupees. And again, in the same day, one guy posted and he said I will create a website for 1,000 Indian rupees. Now imagine what kind of things are happening over the internet. If you will think that this is what most of the people suggest. Okay, and I just want you to stop doing this in the very beginning because it will only waste your time. So what can you do exactly? Instead of just posting on social media, or instead of just commenting down on other people's ads, the best thing you can actually do is to go and reach out to those people by yourself. Now, doing this online is easy on LinkedIn because LinkedIn is a better network where you can exactly approach people. You can get into their uh, accounts. Okay, you can get into their messages. So you can start LinkedIn advertising, or you can start approaching people by searching on search bar. So you can go to LinkedIn search bar and you can start typing let's say you want to target people in hotel industry, restaurant industry. So you can start typing hotel manager or something like that. Okay, your intention is to actually find out people who are in decision making position of that industry. Okay, so you will start writing and you have to see that if those people are actually active or not. You can see that if they are creating some kind of articles or they are creating some kind of content, and you can comment them down, you can get engaged with them, you can send them direct messages, right? So this is actually how you start building business. Now relationship is critical. Without relationship there is no business. If people do not trust you, if people do not believe you, they will simply not pay you. Okay, so before you actually ask for money, before you think about the contract, you have to understand how can you build this relationship with those people. And this is a game changer because this is not what most of the people are doing. Most of the people I have seen, they buy data from companies, and they give random data, maybe random email addresses, maybe random phone numbers, and they start sending them spam. Okay, they start bombarding them with emails and phone messages. But this is actually a wrong way, because those people whom you are approaching, they don't even know you, what they don't know, and they uh, get same messages maybe hundreds of times in 1 month. So how can you differentiate yourself? This is by providing a simple system, right? Now, next thing I want you to understand is you have to be authentic. Once you understood that how to find out a good client, once you start approaching them, it's important that you are creating you are having a good percentage of retention. So for that, you have to be very authentic with them. Now, there are so many people who are trying to uh, cheat cheat them, right? And they though those people are also human, they also want to save money, they also want to make money. So uh, this is why authenticity in business, authenticity in communication is critical. So many people I have worked with, they stick to me because I was so authentic with them. I was transparent when I was offering my services. I do not hide things like what how I am spending their money, right? So in fact a lot of people still approach me for their for growing their business, and also a lot of people go through my courses only because they understand that how much value I provide them. So this is I want you to implement as well. Be authentic while you are providing your services and your products. Now, next thing I want you to understand is sell expertise. Instead of selling your some kind of digital automation, or let's say you know how to set up a website, but how can you think strategically? If you can sell those things, this is not what other people are doing. You can go to Google Ads and you can start looking at what kind of people are actually running those ads. So let's say you went to Google and you started typing best hotels in Mumbai, and you will look at some of the one to different type of results, right? And you go to those websites, look at what kind of ads those people are running, and once you do that, just start looking for some of the loopholes. Maybe those people are actually running their ads by themselves, or they have hired a company which is not good. So instead of selling your some kind of skills, you can actually sell your expertise, so that you can let them know how much you know, how you are better than your competitors. This is really interesting, because then only people will start listening you. Okay, now other thing is you have to be very skilled. Now people are not really interested in looking for random services. They are more interested in expertise. So you have to have very good skills in whatever you are doing. So let's say you want to sell Facebook advertising services, so you can go to Agency Override. I have given a link in my description. This is one of the programs I did, and it was amazing. It was like no brainer. For you will be learning how to grow your agency step by step. So growing your agency takes a lot of things, right? So first you need to have expertise in Facebook advertisement, or you have to have expertise in, let's say, in Google Ads. But at the same time, you have to have understanding of persuasion. You have to have understanding of how you design your landing pages, how to write copy. All of that I learned from Agency Override. It's an amazing program. So if you are interested, you can definitely check out my description and register for it. Of course, that is my affiliate program, but it is totally worth. This is I don't think any other person in the world other than Isaac Rudansky is sharing uh, in this game. Okay, and it's like it will take your whole game to the next level, because he has shared how can you start with how to find better clients, how to approach them, how to write your copy, how to write your presentation, and at the same time you will become master of Google advertisement, Facebook advertisement, landing pages, and a lot of skills you will be getting. So getting skills is not optional. Not optional for people who really want to take the game to the next level. In 2020, this thing is going to be bigger, and of course in 2021 and 2022 as well, because this is something which I want you to understand. digital Digital advertising, digital marketing is here to stay. More people are joining internet, more companies are interested to grow their businesses online. It is the best time to start your digital advertising agency. Now, if you have understood these ideas, I want you to implement, I want you to take action upon this information. Do not just binge watch and do not go to any other video and start watching next thing, next idea. Instead of doing this, just take out some pull out your diary, pen, just start watching this video again and look at what are some things you can take out from it and start implementing it. That is the best thing you can actually do. uh, Last thing I want you to understand is, be you have to be very strategic when you are running your advertising by yourself. So let's say you are just starting up and you came out, you approached to some person who is running Facebook advertisement, and you started looking at that person. You saw, okay, good, Google, I can also use Facebook advertisement, or I can also use Google advertisement. But while you are doing this, you have to understand a concept called competitor analysis. Now you have to understand that there are so many competitors who will exactly copy your ideas, and they will sell it by their by as it's their own. So you have to understand that you have to create a system which you can offer to your clients. This is one of the things which I teach in my personal programs. If you are interested to learn with me, make sure to check out my description and register for my free programs. Now, if you are liking this video, if you are still watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that I can really know that this thing is going to be worth for you. If you have any confusion, don't forget to ask in the comment box. Hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, start taking action. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye.